In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change page size A4 in Excel. This is a quick adjustment that makes a big difference when you need your spreadsheet to print cleanly on standard A4 paper, which measures 210 by 297 millimeters and is commonly used outside the United States. If your document currently defaults to letter size, switching to A4 ensures layouts, margins, and page breaks line up correctly for your audience or printer. With your worksheet open, look to the top of Excel for the ribbon and select the Page Layout tab. This tab brings together all the print-related and formatting tools you'll typically use when preparing a worksheet for sharing or printing. If you're on a smaller screen and don't see it right away, maximize the window so the full ribbon is visible. Inside the Page Layout tab, find the Page Setup group. There you'll see a button labeled Size. Click Size to open a drop-down list of common paper formats. This menu includes a range of options like letter, legal, A3, and the one we want, A4. Click A4. The moment you do, Excel applies that paper size to the active worksheet. After selecting A4, Excel redraws the printable area behind the scenes. You might notice page break indicators shift slightly, especially if your sheet was designed for letter size. That's expected, because A4 is a bit narrower and a touch taller than letter. If your content seems to spill over to a new page, consider small layout refinements you may already be planning, like adjusting column widths or tightening margins, so your tables fit more elegantly on the page. It's a good idea to confirm how things will look when printed. You can open Print Preview to see the updated layout and ensure headers, footers, and charts land where you expect. While you're there, you'll also see that the paper size is now set to A4, matching what you chose on the Page Layout tab. If you work across multiple worksheets in the same file, remember that page size is set per worksheet. Repeat the same quick change on any additional sheets that need A4, so everything stays consistent in your final printout or PDF export. And if you frequently use A4, consider setting it in your template files so new workbooks start with the right page size from the beginning. That's all it takes. Go to Page Layout, open the Size menu, and select A4. Simple, reliable, and ready for a professional print.